This is CCNP Pro with the ipv6 peering project. You can visit us online at reddit.com/r/ipv6 peering project. Today we're going to look at creating a GRE ipv6 tunnel to appear in the peering network. Alright, so first things first, we're going to have to hop on over to the ipv6 peering network wiki and get ourselves an address. Now I already have an address, so I'm going to use the existing one here, as you can see, with a range of FD0002/48. And today I'm going to peer with, let's do Andachi. He is at FE86N. And I'll be explaining that N in just a minute. First, let's go ahead and configure terminal and create our new tunnel. So we're going to do int tunnel4. We're going to do a no shut to make sure it doesn't turn off on us. No IP address, that's telling it we don't want any IP version 4 addresses in this tunnel. And let's create a nice description here. Let's do to Andachi. That way in the future, when I'm looking at this config, I'll know exactly what that tunnel was made for. Alright, so we need a tunnel source. That's the ipv6 address we were provided by tunnelbroker.net. And let me just punch mine in here. And we need a tunnel destination. That's going to be the ipv6 address of your peer provided by tunnelbroker.net. And let me just copy that over. And next thing, we're going to have to set our ipv6 address for this tunnel. So ipv6 address FE80. It's going to make it a link local. And in this case, it's going to be 26. The 2 would be my peer number, and the 6 would be Andachi's peer number. And we're going to have to put a link local at the end so that it knows that it's a link local address. And finally, we're going to do a tunnel mode GRE ipv6. Telling the tunnel that is going to be an ipv6 tunnel, and it's going to be allowing GRE traffic through. That's it. Let's do an exit, and let's do a write to make sure we save our changes. And finally, we should be now able to ping our peer, as long as they have set up their end of the tunnel. When you do a ping, it's going to ask for an output interface. That's always going to be the tunnel you've just created. So in this case, it'll be tunnel 4, because that's the interface of the tunnel we initially created. And look at that, 100% success. That does it for today, and I hope this helps you out on your ipv6 peering project.